Hello and welcome to How Logical. In this video, I'm going to be teaching you how you can change your email address on your TikTok account. So let's go ahead and start the video without wasting any more time. First of all, what you need to do is open up your TikTok account. Then you should go to your profile on the bottom right hand corner and tap on the three lines on the top right hand side. Tap on settings and privacy after that and go to account. After you go to account, you can see account information. Tap on account information and you can see email. Go ahead and tap on the email option and you can see change email and unlink email option. Go ahead and tap on change email. Wait for a while and you can see a code has been sent to your current email. Just go ahead and open the Gmail app. As you can see, your code has been there. Just go ahead and copy the code. Go back to this TikTok. Go ahead and paste the code. Wait for a while and the verification will be done. So what you need to do now is enter your new Gmail. So after you've entered it, just go ahead and tap on continue and the verification process will occur. So go ahead and check your email, your new email which you entered here just now, and do the same as I did before. So you will get a code over here. Just go ahead and copy the code after you press continue, and this way you can easily change your email on your TikTok account. I hope this video was helpful to you. If you still have any kind of confusion, please do mention us on the comment section down below. Like the video, subscribe to the channel, and do hit the bell button for more. Hope to see you in the next video as well. Until then, goodbye, take care, and make sure you enjoy.